everyone! Today I printed a snake in white color. Maybe it looks a little plain because I have seen some people print it with multicolored filament and it looks more interesting. At the time of printing I didn't have many colors in my collection, so I used white. Honestly, I don't like this toy because it has many sharp parts and it's not comfortable to hold. It pricks your hand. This is how they design it. But the printing itself went very well, no problem at all. The link to the project is in the first comment. If you also don't like sharp edges, I have another video with a moving little worm. It is more pleasant to touch and you can possibly print it in color without using MAS. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!